Hello guys, my name is Anderson. Alright, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make your library styles, your layer styles, make your text styles, color styles, and everything necessary for you to make a perfect design. Alright, okay, before we go, let's move straight to Figma. Alright, in Figma we can do all of that. Let's move straight to Figma. Now here is our Figma. Okay, now there's something I want to show you also. There's a website I get my ideas from. Alright, I get my ideas from there. Let's check this website. Now there's a website called material.io. okay, if you see material.io, you can see the draw down menu here. We have material design 2, material design 3, material 3. No, the one we are going for is this material design 2. Alright, where they talked about this design extensively. Alright, they majorly talked about how we can design. In fact, material design 3 also talked about it, but the basics, let's start with material design 2. okay, it's loading now. Once it is, now click on design. After you click on design, is on design. Now come here, check typography here, then click on the type system. Then after that, come here, scroll down, you can see these text layers, you can see them. Now if you are designing a web page, now the headline for the web page, the body text, if you click on this headline, you can see the settings here. This font type is Roboto, you can see here. If you click this draw down menu, you can see every other the fonts that you want. You can just type them here, so all of them will display. You can see all to from headline 2, from headline 1 all to overlaying. Alright, I'm going to show you how you can actually design all of this in a few minutes. Okay, my font here. Now let's try Rubik. Rubik is already here. Okay, Rubik is there, you can see. Alright, now this for the headline, we have headline 1, we have the font is Rubik, the weight is light, then the size is 83 pixels, then the letter spaces is -1.5, that is minus half ps. Alright, then if you click on headline 2, the same thing. We have the font Rubik, we have weight light, then we have text size, which is 52 ps, then we have letter spacing, which is minus 0.5 ps. The same thing applied to headline 3. We have headline 3, we have font Rubik, the same text, then weight it is normal, then size we have 42 ps, then letter spacing we have 0 ps. The same thing. Now let's go back to headline 1. Now from here, let's go to our Figma. We'll get to Figma, then click on your frame. Just draw a frame out. It's too large. Reduce it a little bit. Okay, now the reason for this frame is going to house our text. Alright, it's going to house our text. Now hit smash on your text button, which is T. Then come here. Let's go back to the settings. The font is Rubik, then the size of the text is 83 pixels. Now let's go to Figma. The font is what? Come here to check your font. You come here, is Rubik, type Rubik there, then text size is 83, just type 83 there. Then let's go back and check again. We have 83 pixel. The letter space is minus 1.5. Letter spaces, you can type it here, minus 1.5 ps. Alright, minus 1.5 ps. What else? 1.5 ps. The weight of the letter, come here. The weight is light. Alright, we have it there. Now come here, headline 1. Just type headline 1. Headline 1. Okay, let's duplicate this. Control D. Bring it down a little bit. Then the other one is headline 1 bold. Okay, headline 1 bold. Come here, choose your text. 1 bold. Headline 1 bold. Alright, it's going to be the same. The only thing that will be different here, this one will be bold. Let's come here, instead of light, make it bold. Then duplicate this one also. Control D, or you hold your Alt key and drag it down. Alright, the next one is headline 2. Okay, headline 2, let's go back to the text. Headline 2, let's check what it has. This text is Rubik. The weight is light. Let's go there and change it. The weight is light. Come here. The weight is light, no longer bold. The weight is light. Alright, then what else? Let's go back there again. Then headline 2, weight is the letter size, the size 52. At this time is 52. Let's go back there and change it. 52, no longer 83. 52 pixel. Hit enter. Then the letter spaces, let's go and check. Space is minus 0.5, minus half. Let's go back to Figma and change it. Minus 0.5, remove just, okay, 0.5 pixel. Hit enter. You can see. Alright, then the next are we done? Yeah, we are done. Now the next thing is going to be headline 2 bold. Now let's duplicate this. Hold your Alt key and drag it. Now the only thing here, headline 2 bold, come to your text tool, pick, okay, come here and add bold to it. Alright, okay, the only thing that will be different here is that this one will be bold. Alright, and at this time is no longer light. Come here, take it to bold. Then again, let's duplicate this. We are going to do this until we get to the last step. Okay, duplicate this, duplicate that. We have headline 3. At this point is 3 now. Headline 3, we have removed the bold also. Headline 3. Then let's do the settings. Let's go back to material design. Headline 3, let's see what it has here. Rubik, the same font is Rubik. Then weight is normal. Then the text size is 42. Let's go back to Figma. Alright, normal 42. Here, come here, change it to 42. Hit enter. Okay, what else? The next thing is normal. Let's go back there and change it normal to this bold to be normal. Alright, let's, okay, then normal is regular. Alright, to be normal. Then what next? The next thing to do is what? The letters 0p0. Come here, hit 0, 0 pixel. Enter. So that is for that. Again, for this one, we are going to duplicate it. Duplicate that. Okay. Now we are headline 3. Headline 3 bold. Headline 3 bold. Now it's going to be the same. The only thing that is that it's going to be bold. Alright. Then the next thing is body large. Duplicate this. Body large. Okay. Body large. Let's go back there and change. Let's come to body here. Body large, which is body 1. Alright. Which is body 1. Alright. We are still using Rubik. Then we have the width is normal. The size is 16. The letter space is 0.5. Let's go there and change it. The width is normal, regular. Then let's go back there and check. The normal 16, 0.5. Here is 16. Then here is 0.5. Letter spaces 0.5. Hit enter. You can see it is so small here. Let's increase it. Hold your control and roll up. Alright. Okay, it's getting now, because we are at 74%, so it's not 100% yet. Once it's 100%, you can see it visibly. Alright. This is for body large. Bold. Let's duplicate this. Then body large bold. The difference is the same setting. The difference that this one is bold. Come here, from regular to bold. Alright, the next thing is body small. Okay, which is body 2. Duplicate this. Duplicate that. Body small. Body small. Okay. Body small. Then let's go back to material design. Now body 2. Now we have the same font is Rubik. Now the weight is normal. Then size is 14. Let's go back there. I change it to 14. Is normal, not bold. Let's first of all change that one. Normal, which is regular. Then here is 14. We have 14 there. Okay. The letter spacing. Let's check the letter spacing. We have 0.25 pixel. The letter spacing come here. 25 pixel. Hit enter. Okay. The next thing is body small bold. Duplicate this. Body small bold. Alright. Hope you are getting along. Body small bold. Body small bold. Here is bold now. The same setting. The only difference is from regular to bold. Alright. Okay. The next thing is the button. Let's check button. The next thing is button. Alright, let's duplicate this. Is boring. Let's duplicate that. Okay, now let's go back to material design and check. We have boring here. The same fonts at this point is medium. Then the text size is 14. All right, this font is Rubik. Then the text size is the font size is what? The font is what? Let's go back and check. It's medium. Weight is medium. Then size is 14. Weight is medium. Come here. From bold to medium. Then from size 14. Alright. The size is 14. The same size with the body small. Alright, the same size with his body small, which is 14. Then the letter spacing is 1.25 pixel. 1.25 pixel. 1.25 pixel. 1.25 pixel. Alright, hit enter. So that is that. Then we are not done yet. The next thing is caption. Okay, the next thing is caption. Duplicate this, hold your Alt key and drag it down. Okay, come here. We have caption here. In fact, everything you need is here. Okay, the same fonts, then normal, which is regular, then size is 12. Let's go back to Figma. We have size is 12, then the size is 12. The size is 12. Okay, letter spacing, which is 0.4, then regular. All right, here we have regular, not medium at this moment. Regular, then 0.4. Here is 0.4. 0.4 pixel. Okay, hit enter. Please, are you getting along? Are you following? Please, if you are following, comment on the comment box and say I'm following. Also, thumb up, like this video and subscribe. Other person can get this. All right. Okay, this is how to what. This is it. Let's move on. Now we have done the setting already. How do you turn it to text layout? Now click on this one. Come here. Let's turn it to text style. Come here. See it on this text. Look at this text. Come here and click on this. Come here. Come to this setting. Come to text setting. Click on it for text style, then add text styles. Add it here. The name of the text style. Just say headline 1. Just write headline 1. Create style. That one has been created. Then here, come here. The same thing. Just give it a name. Come here. Then add layout style. Add text style. Sorry, text style. Then what headline bold? You can say headline bold. Headline bold. Headline bold. That one has been entered. Here, come here again. We have add text style. Headline 2. Can say headline 2. Can say headline 2. Hit enter. Here, headline 2 bold. Come here, add text. Headline 2 bold. Hit enter. Headline 2 bold. Then headline 3. Come here, the same process. Add text style, headline 3, headline 3, hit enter. Then here headline 3 bold, the same thing. Add here we have body text. Here add it, body text, body text, body large, hit enter. The same here. Add here we have body large, body large bold. Here we have body small. Add it, body small, add it. Here we have body small bold, body small bold. Okay, here we have button. Here we have button. Add here, add it, hit enter. Here we the other last one we have caption. Here the same thing. Add caption. Come here now, change it, add it, caption. Okay, now you can see, look at everything we created. This is what text styles. Our text style has been created. Okay, headline, you can see the text size is what is 83. Auto at auto. Now the auto is okay. All right, that is for that. Now the same thing apply to colors. All right, the same thing apply to colors. Okay, let's try the one for colors. Okay, here duplicate this, display this. I'll just do okay. Let me this 4 is okay for colors. Now come here, change the color from here. Okay, for instance, if we need this, okay, here add the color styles. Add color styles. The same thing. What do you want it? You can say, well, give it any name. Green, light green. Okay, is this light green? But it's not too dark. Light green. Let's say light green. All right. Hit create styles. Okay, you can see it's created now. Also, you can change this one. Also, you can change it to any color you want. If you have the code, you can just come here and drop it here. All right, you have the code, just come here and drop it here. You form. Okay, here let's have that color up. Come here and change it to your suit. Okay, here also come here and add it. Create layer styles, create color style. You create the color style, give it any name. Light purple, let's give it light purple. Light purple. All right, hit enter. That has been created also. Okay, here the same thing. just give the color, give it any color that you want. All right, and create this color style. And create the color style. Here we have okay, we have here also, come here to this 4 dots, you say add it, then you can say yellow, then create style. Alright, this is how to create text styles and color style. If you found value on this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much.